One of the most difficult types is the intuitive introvert. The intuitive extrovert, you find among hunters, bankers, gamblers.
Yes.
But the introvert, he has intuitions as to the subjective factor, namely the inner world. Very difficult to understand, because what he sees are most uncommon things. He doesn't like to talk of them, if he's not a fool, because he would spoil his own game by telling what he sees, because people won't understand it. When the introverted intuitive would speak what he really perceives, then practically nobody would understand it. He would be misunderstood. And so they learn to keep things to themselves, and you hardly ever hear them talking of these things. That is a great disadvantage, but it is an enormous